Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will discuss about a few shortcut keys which is based on the desktop and also for all the folders. Okay, so I'm studying from beginning without wasting time. Let's start video. I'm Asmal is engaged in front of you with you and I have today I am here to learn you something about the special. Okay, the we are studying now. Okay, the first one shortcut key which is very good for us, which is window press E. Window plus E, which is used for the opening of computer. How to open the computer? It is the shortcut key of this. Now I'm pressing window E. It is a shortcut key of that how to open the computer. And the computer, when I have pressed window E, the computer is in front of you. Okay, so this was the shortcut key of the computer. Okay, again I am saying to you, window press E is the shortcut key of the computer. Okay, without mouse, if you haven't any kind of mouse to open the computer, so you can open the computer with the window press E. So second one is that how to see the properties of the computer, how to see the computer's properties. Okay, so with the shortcut key how we can see it. Okay, now let's see. I have there's a shortcut key I have which is window plus fuse break. When I've had pressed Windows plus fuse break with the computer's properties, the computer properties is in front of you. That which kind of RAM is used, has some qualities. Pin and a pin touch is available in the two touch points or the EDC. Okay, it is also the properties of computer. It is with the window plus fuse break. Okay, so this was very good. And third one is that how to exit the file. If the computer is present here, okay, and I have to exit the file, there's a close. I have to close the file, but with not the mouse, with the keyboard. Okay, so how can I close the file? This is a very good and a simple trick to close the file, which is Alt plus F4. When you will press the Alt plus F4, every file will be closed here. Alt plus F4, it has been closed. Okay, this was the very good. These were the shortcut keys for the computer. I hope you will understand that what I'm saying to you. Thanks for watching to our channel. Thank you very much.